Good afternoon, friends. One of the laudable change in Union Budget 2021. Interest which is to be paid on delayed payment of tax, whether it is chargeable on gross tax liability or net tax liability. Disputed one, but the laudable change. Let's take an example so that you can understand. Let's say you are having 1 lakh rupees GST liability and you're having 50,000 rupees lying in your e-credit ledger. So net, you have to pay 50,000 rupees. There are two important questions. The first question, whether you have to pay GST liability, irrespective of fact, whether you have collected the money from your buyer. Answer is yes, because GST is on accrual basis. Irrespective of fact whether you have got this money from your buyer or not, you have to deposit on accrual basis from your own pocket. If you don't deposit by due date, then interest leviable and rate of interest is 18% per annum. SME and MSME is pleading before the government that I haven't received the money from my buyer and you want me to pay. If I don't pay, rate of interest is 18%, which looks to me too higher in a situation when I have not collected the money. What I'm finding at ground level, we are going back to the bank, getting our working capital funded at the rate of 12% and depositing this GST liability just to safeguard additional 6% rate of interest. That is not helping ease of business. It is not giving support to SME and MSME. First point. Second point, this interest which is at the rate of 18% chargeable on gross tax 1 lakh rupees or net tax which is 50,000 rupees. You all will surprised to know the way GST law got drafted and passed at the time GST got introduced in the country. Interest was made leviable on gross tax liability. Lot of hue and cries got started. In 31st GST Council meeting held on 23rd December 2018, GST Council has acknowledged this problem and they have said this interest, if leviable, it would be leviable only on net tax liability. A proviso got inserted under section 50 subsection 1 of CGST Act. But to our surprise, when this proviso got notified, it was notified with a prospective date, 1st September 2020, in spite of the fact in 39 GST Council meeting it was principally agreed that interest to be charged on net tax 50,000 and that too retrospectively from July 1, 2017. Litigation is there. Lot of you may have received the notice from the department for making payment of interest on gross tax liability, but the laudable one in this Union Budget 2021. Now this proviso which is talking about interest on net tax liability specifically stated it is going to be retrospectively applicable from July 1, 2017. Highly appreciated. So this is the good change which you will find from this Union Budget 2021. But 2 points I would like to draw your attention. This interest on net tax applicable retrospectively from July 1, 2017, but you must keep in your mind that no proceedings should have been initiated by issuance of so-called notice under section 73, which is non-fraud cases, under section 74, which is fraud cases. Then only this interest going to be levied on net tax liability. Condition number 1. Second, as a planning, I'm telling you, in case as a taxpayer you got the notice for payment of interest, and that too you have paid on gross tax liability 1 lakh as against 50,000. Once this clause get notified by after passing of this Finance Bill 2021, you can claim refund of interest which you have paid on difference of gross tax versus net tax, provided incidence is not passed on. So once this clause get notified, if you have paid interest on gross tax, go for refund of excess interest paid on difference of gross tax versus net tax. This is laudable change, but submission is why we make such provision that interest to be paid on gross tax first. Second, when GST Council decides something in 31st GST Council meeting, 23rd December 2018, proviso got inserted, but it is being notified from prospective date, 1st September 2020. Why we complicate the law? And this complication is not really helping to make GST good and simple tax, but the laudable one in this Union Budget 2021. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a number of more changes in GST law. Thank you very much.